Hello, welcome. If you are trying to decide if you want to participate in the Small Business MBA, I'll be explaining exactly what you would take away from this course in this video. I'm also going to answer some of the questions that I've been getting and give you a sense of what it would be like to take the class. So first, there's two main things that you're going to take away from this course. The first is a step-by-step framework to starting a business, which I'll be walking you through so that you can actually follow along if you're starting your business or a new business, or you can go through your current business and verify that you have everything in order and get everything organized so that going forward you don't miss due dates and deadlines and you actually have everything organized and you know exactly what you're doing and why you're doing it. The second area is your accounting. Getting the accounting set up and organized and actually building the habit of maintaining those accounting records. So essentially, these two areas cover everything having to do with business except for the work that you do. So the goal of this course is to take care of all of the accounting, legal, taxes, the entire business side for you in one place so that you can focus on what you do in your business. So some of the questions I've been getting, what if I already formed an LLC, or what if I haven't started my business yet? And will we cover the S-corp? So yes, this course would be great for all of those situations. Honestly, I've never worked with a business owner who actually has their business set up correctly if they did it on their own. Often it's not set up correctly even when they used professionals, because these professionals do not cover the legal, accounting, and taxes altogether. And at minimum, people still have a lot of questions and misunderstanding about how all of this fits together. So after this course, you would have clarity about how to start a business, what tools are right for you, and you know how to capitalize on opportunities that come up and how to evaluate which types of businesses would be right for you at different situations. And of course, we'd be focusing on your current business and making sure that you have the systems and processes in place and you know whatever you're going to do in the future as your business develops to achieve your goals. Because I've started many businesses, worked with coaching many businesses to grow, and worked for investors, gotten loans, I'm very familiar with how to actually grow a successful business, how to go from being self-employed to a bigger business, hiring employees. So I'm able to help you as a mentor with the personal side in addition to these technical areas. So you're going to leave this course with cheat sheets, checklists, and templates that you'll have for the future. But in the course, we're going to actually work on your business and you're going to have me there to answer your questions and guide you to make sure you're set up correctly and organized for the future. Now, the accounting is crucial. It can be easy to not be able to get help with your accounting, not be able to get affordable help with your accounting. If you're currently using QuickBooks or another software and you're wondering if you should take this class, it doesn't matter whether you want to use my business spreadsheet template, QuickBooks, or other software. The most important thing is that you build the habit of maintaining your accounting records in this course. I'll be assisting with my spreadsheet, customizing that spreadsheet to get set up, or using business accounting software. That choice is up to you. I'll be helping you get set up and to customize them for your entire customer client process, whether that includes estimates and quotes and then turning them into invoices, or whether you charge people directly on the spot. Whatever the case, we'll be setting up your entire customer process and making sure your accounting is set up to be as automated and as smooth as possible, and that it's actually keeping information that has meaning to you. And based on your situation, I'll be able to help you choose what would be best for you to work on in the course itself. Now, certainly if you're trying to grow from a self-employed business, building this accounting habit is crucial. I know a lot of people will think, but I should hire a professional. I've found that for the accounting to have the most meaning, it's really important that you build the habit of looking at it and using it first. Otherwise, working with an accountant or bookkeeper can always be a bit of a problematic situation because you don't have the habits in place or even the processes to know exactly what you need and why for the bookkeeper to be able to do what they're doing. And honestly, with small businesses, once you have the system set up and once you understand what you're recording and why, you don't even need that bookkeeper. So I recommend you getting the process set up with me in the Small Business MBA. And once you're beyond that point and you're set up, then you can make a decision from there about what would be best for you. Okay, so that covers what you get to take away from this class. You really are going to have a step-by-step framework for setting up your business and for checking that your business is in order and it's staying in order in the future for both accounting, taxes, and legality. You're also going to set up your accounting and using my 30-day money methodology, build the habit of maintaining your accounting records with support from me. Doesn't matter if you want to use a spreadsheet or a software, we'll be covering it all in the course. If you are ready to end confusion and overwhelm around all of these aspects of business and really feel like you have a business that works for you, I would love to have you join the course. Either way, I wish you the best with your business. Remember, the world needs what you have to offer. Hope to see you in the e-course. Bye.